You still see him? Did you lose track of him? There you go. You see that? Okay, wait. Hold on. Did I lose him? Nah, I forget where he's at. I gotta find. Oh, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Okay. You probably can't see it. It's a very baby ghost crab. I've not seen an itty bitty ghost crab before. They're transparent. They're very hard to see. Oh well. So we're actually gonna turn around in a minute. We were walking to the end of Captiva Beach. The thing when you're walking a beach is everything looks a lot closer than it really is. Keep that in mind. Everything looks a lot closer than it really is. So even though all the way down there, it doesn't look that far, that's 2 miles down. And I don't feel like walking it anymore. So he's a little red. And it's a little Baywatch moment right there. So I didn't know this until today, but when we came, so South Seas you have to pass a security gate. Well, before you pass the gate, you turn right to go through the gate. If you go straight, it's a dead end. There's an extremely small parking lot for the public beach. I didn't realize there was a public beach. And so that's what all those people down there, it's the public beach. I don't know what it looks like. I've never been down there. I kind of wanted to walk down there. Do you think we can make it, honey? We don't care.
The piles are slim here.
The piles are slim. Don't see how it could be any better down there. And again, that's 2.5 miles away. Not really feeling it right now. We might try another time. Just in case. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna go find the dolphins. So, you want to know what the public beach on? Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Alright, you get the idea. So, if you want to know what the public beach on Captiva looks like, maybe I'll feel better and feel like walking it tomorrow, but not today. For South Seas, you have to be either renting a condo, staying in one of their hotel rooms, or using one of their boat tour companies. Otherwise, they will not let you go through the gate. They used to let you go through the gate and just tour the grounds. But they've really cracked down that if you don't have a reservation for something, they're not going to let you through the gate. And the sun is setting. So we just hit, oh, there's another crab. I think I'm done shelling for right now. I mean, of course I'll look as we walk back, but there's no dolphins out, the manatees are out. I'm not really that impressed with the shelling right now, so I gotta go look for manatees and dolphins. The manatees are just too darn cute. So cute. So, what? What do you see? Oh, good spot, Robert. Very good spot. Here, let me empty my pocket while you're... He's holding the buckets. Found a couple goodies. You never know. Goodies, shells. I don't know. Never know what shelling's going to be like. Every day is a different experience for sure. But I will say I have better luck on Sanibel than I do Captiva. Another crab hole. Yeah. Even though there's not really any shells, I want to walk along where the waves hitting. Just for a minute or two. He's having luck. He's fishing. Hey, there's plenty for him. Robert's like, I'll find. Oh, he found another crab.
Wee wee. What are you?
Oh, there's his little hole right there.
Is that his hole?
I'm sure it
Could be
is.
his brother's hole. I don't know.
I'm sure it's his brother's hole. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god, I hope they're quick. I'm worried about stepping on them. Oh my god, they're everywhere.
They're everywhere. Watch your back.
They're just like, usually when we see them, they're like this big. I've never seen them that big. They're itty bitty. Alright, so that is showing on Captiva. It's kind of hit and miss this trip. But the weather has been great. It's only rained a little bit. It is hurricane season. Keep that in mind if you come to Sanibel or Captiva or anywhere in Florida in August. It's hurricane season. You have a chance of being rained out. But we've lucked out so far this trip. It's been very, very beautiful.